Unboxing my
What
denim
is
mud
going
short
on, blessed
safari
people? My
collection
name
from
is
at
today
Rich
Chris, or
Boys.
you can call me Chris. Ano na? So, another day, another budol. Hi everyone, so today's video is, ayan, isi-share ko sa inyo na purchase natin sa Rich Boys ulit. So without further ado, ayan, so kunin natin. Yes, from Rich Boys. Sunod-sunod yung ating unboxing for Rich Boys para naman marami akong i-unbox and content kasi ang dami ko din mga needy unbox and mga PR package din. Ayan. So for this one is, ayan. So this is the Denim Safari Collections Mud. Ayan. Yes. So gaya ng sinabi ko, etong item na to hindi ko nabili mismo sa kanilang Rich Boys website. Ayan. Because out of stock na rin sila. And yes, as of now then, out of stock pa rin si Safari Collection. Safari Collection kasi is must have yun. And for these shorts for this shorts is hinahanap talaga siya guys. For this denim short cost 4,000 pesos. Ayan. So ito yung kanilang mga Safari collections. Super ganda and almost is out of stock. Ayan. So dito, I'm glad kasi size 32 ako and yes, large. And I'm so happy kasi kasya na sa akin. It's either large or large lang siguro talaga ako or large or medium. But siguro sa shorts, pwede ako large and medium for rich boys. And kung sa sweat something nila is large or XS. Ayun. So yes, gaya na sinabi ko, nabili ko siya sa kanilang Rich Boy Buy and Sell, which is yung mga, meron sila mga reseller. So it cost me 8,000 for this one. Mahal talaga guys. Kasi it's denim Safari collection and yes, I'm looking also sa Safari collection nila na yung pants. Baka may mag-view nito and PM nyo ako kung meron kayong pants na gusto nyo ibenta. Ayan. Pag-usapan natin. At yung hinahanap ko din guys, oh. This one. This is the denim pants. Baka meron kayo. PM nyo ako. Pag-usapan natin yung price. Ayan. So it's brand new. Ayan. And ang design is mukhang madumi. Especially yung jacket nila. So, inaantay kong dumating. Yun yung sa website kong nabili. Inaantay ko lang talaga siyang dumating. And sana this December before my birthday is meron para masuot ko. Ayan. So, tanan! Ayan o. Parang kalawang na madumi na parang merong something na ewan. So, ayan. Diba? It's super nice. Ito yung must-have. You know me, I love Balenciaga. So, most of the time, I wear Balenciaga. So, puro siya stress pants, stress na acid wash shirts. So, that's it. For this one, it's super nice. Oh, rich boys. Gumawa pa kayo marami. Ayan. For this shorts, denim, safari denim, mud shorts, it's super nice. Diba? The quality and everything, it's super nice. Ayan. Look guys, oh. Diba? I'm so excited na i-rock ko to dito sa Jensen. And ang dami kong hoodie na binili sa collections nila. Meron akong nabili sa Safari Collections. Isa, pistachio for holidays. Nakapag-order na ako bago lang. 30 minutes ago. And Racing Collection, bumili din ako ng additional hoodie. Ano pa ba? Ayun. Basta, yun na. I'm so happy. Ang saya-saya ko dito. Ayan. So, ayun lang guys. Like I always said, huwag yung tipid, magsipag, enjoy shopping everyone. Bye! Merry Christmas!